Okay, so this is the third video of JLPT N5 crash course, and in this video we will discuss some basic greetings and introduction phrases which we use when we talk to someone in Japanese. Okay, so I hope that hiragana and katakana scripts were clear to you. Also, for all those who are serious for JLPT N5, we have started a new course, JLPT N5 Kanji course, which is available in our exclusive content. You can check that out. The link is in the description box. That's a great course if you want to master the kanji for JLPT N5, which becomes problem for so many beginners. So do check that out. Okay. Now moving to the first phrase which we generally speak when we meet with someone else. The phrase is hello, nice to meet you. Okay. Now how to say this in Japanese? We will say konnichiwa hajime mashite. Konnichiwa means hello. Hajime mashite means nice to meet you, and it is said when you meet someone for the first time. I hope it is clear to you. And next, if you want to introduce to, suppose there is a group of 10 people and you want to say that nice to meet you everyone. How will you say that in Japanese? You will say minna-san hajime mashite. What is minna-san? Minna-san means everyone. Nice to meet you. Okay, so I hope these basic phrases were clear to you. Now we will move to the topic and we will learn how we introduce our name to someone else. Okay, so to introduce a name, we say, if we are talking about a formal way, we will say Maikar to Moshimas. Maikar to Moshimas. It means I am Michael. It's clear, I hope. Next, if you want to say in a polite way that I am Michael, how will you say? You will say Maikar Des. Maikar Des. That's it. Next, another polite way which you should know when you introduce yourself to someone else in Japanese, you will say Maikar to Imas. It means my name is Michael. Okay, so all these phrases means only one thing, but they vary in the politeness level. Some one of the sentences formal and one of the sentences used in casual situation. Okay, I hope this was clear to you. Next, another thing which we need to know that in Japanese, when we meet with some other person, we say please be kind to me, okay, or please be nice to me. So it's a set phrase which is generally spoken, and it's a good practice to say this phrase. And I know that this phrase is not spoken in English, but yes, it's a set phrase which is used in Japanese. And now we need to know how it is spoken in Japanese. So if I want to say someone please be kind to me, which is a set phrase, we will say in a polite way, we will say yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Okay. In a casual way, we will say dozo yoroshiku, and in the casual way we will say yoru shiku. That's it. Okay, so we learned a polite and casual way of speaking please be kind to me or please be nice to me in Japanese. Next, when we introduce ourselves to someone else in any language, we generally speak about that I am from this place or I am from that place, right? We introduce that I am from, suppose I'm from Canada, I'm from America, and so on. Now, if you want to say that I am from America in Japanese, you will say Americano shushin this. Okay, America is America. No is a particle which we will learn in the upcoming videos. Shushin this means it's basically used when we want to say that this place is my origin or this is the source. This is the place where I'm coming from. Okay, and if you want to say that I have come from America, how will you say? You will say America kara kimashita. Kara means from. Kimashita means I have come. So it means I have come from America. Okay, so these were the phrases which are said when we meet some another person for the first time. Okay, next, if you want to say that I grew up in New York, how will you say? You will say Sodachi wa New Yorku this. Sodachi wa New Yorku this means I grew up in New York, because it happens sometimes that you are born in a place X and you grew up in some another place. It's very common for people or for families to move to another place. Next, if you want to say that I like this particular thing or I like that particular thing, how will you say that in Japanese? Okay, it's another important phrase which is spoken in any language when you introduce yourself, right? So how will you say that I like this or I like that? It's a very commonly used phrase. You will say, if you want to say that I like cars, right? How will you say? You will say watashi wa kurumaga ski desu. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence? Watashi wa means I. Kuruma is car. Okay. Ga ski desu. So ga is a particle which we will again learn in the upcoming videos. Ski means like. This is is used when we want to say that this is a fact, this is a statement. So what is the meaning of the sentence? Watashi wa kurumaga ski desu means that I like cars. It's very important phrase when you introduce yourself to some another person in any language. It's generally spoken, right? So in this video, we learn some basic Japanese phrases we use when we introduce ourselves to someone else. The next part will be continuation of this video, and we will learn some more phrases which we use when we introduce ourselves to some another person. I hope that you like the video. So please subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Also, if you want to learn JLPT N5 kanji and you want to master the JLPT N5 kanji, you can definitely check out our course, which is JLPT N5 exclusive content. There our videos have been already uploaded related to the kanji course. So the first video is out, you can check that out, and that video will definitely help you in mastering the kanji, which will make your chances of clearing the JLPT N5 very high. Because one of the reason people fail is that they are not able to do kanji properly.